In today's video, I'll teach you how to uninstall WePlay app. First of all, launch Open App Library on your device. You'll be able to see all the applications over here. Find the application for WePlay and long press on it. In some devices, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall over here only. Simply tap on it. Otherwise, tap on this option, App Info, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of WePlay. Over here you'll be able to find this option for uninstall. Tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the OK option and the application will be uninstalled. Or you can also simply open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for WePlay. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for WePlay and tap on it. Now in this interface, what you have to do is tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option uninstall again. Now wait for a while and you can see over here WePlay application will be uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall WePlay app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.